And I want to say, when we came into office, President William Ruto and I refused attempts by the former directors to destabilize the tea subsector. A stable tea subsector is good for our country because we depend on this sector for our foreign exchange earnings. So I want to say, nikiwa hapa, hakuna mtu atakubaliwa kamwe to destabilize your leadership. If it's working, don't fix it. So nyinyi mumeonyesha uhodari wenu kwa usimamizi wa chai, na mimi nashukuru kwa sababu tangu tukae Kericho tukakubaliana na hao wangwana. At least the players in the tea industry have embraced the reforms, you know, and there has been no resistance. And this is the fruit of embracing reforms in our tea subsector. I want to appeal to you as directors, led by the board, to sit down and work out a percentage of what we can allow, so that some factories are not excessive.